Welcome back to our channel where we help you shop smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. It's the ultimate battle of the mops. Let's see which one can tackle your pet messes and your greasy floors without breaking a sweat or a bank. Spoiler alert, there will be steam, there will be laughter, and there might even be a few dad jokes. So grab your mop bucket and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at $144, which some reviewers find a bit steep, but they also highlight its extensive features and effectiveness. In contrast, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner comes in at a budget-friendly $119, and many users rave about its affordability while still delivering impressive cleaning results. So if you're on a budget, Schenley's got your back like a loyal dog. Now, let's check out the cleaning power. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with its 1,500 watts of steam, which has impressed many users who appreciate its ability to clean thoroughly without chemicals. Meanwhile, the Schenley is also noted for its cleaning capabilities, particularly for tackling dirt, stains, and even mold efficiently. Reviewers have praised both for their effectiveness, making them both solid choices for cleaning pet messes and kitchen spills. Heating time: the Bissell takes 30 seconds to warm up, while the Schenley is ready to go in just 15 seconds. Reviewers have noted how the Schenley's quick heating time is a major plus for those looking to clean in a hurry. Meanwhile, some users have mentioned the Bissell's longer warm-up time as a minor inconvenience, but they still find it worth the wait due to its cleaning performance. Let's talk versatility. The Bissell comes with 13 versatile tools, which users love for their ability to clean various surfaces, from floors to hard-to-reach areas. Reviewers particularly appreciate the extra attachments for deep cleaning tasks. On the other hand, the Schenley boasts a 7-in-1 accessory kit, which many users find sufficient for their cleaning needs, especially highlighting its effectiveness on windows and grills. Both products shine in this category, but the Bissell might edge out slightly for those who want more tools. Finally, let's discuss weight and flexibility. The Schenley is lightweight and features a 180-degree swivel, making it easy to navigate around furniture, which many users have found to be a significant advantage. Reviewers describe it as the yoga instructor of steam mops. The Bissell, while sturdier, is noted to be a bit heavier, but it still efficiently handles tough jobs. Some users prefer the sturdiness of the Bissell, while others enjoy the maneuverability of the Schenley. In summary, the reviews for the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop indicate that it is a powerful and versatile cleaning machine, especially loved for its extensive attachments and effective cleaning capabilities. However, some users do consider it a bit pricey. On the other hand, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is celebrated for its affordability, quick heating time, and effectiveness, making it a favorite among budget-conscious shoppers who still want great cleaning results. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, but they cater to different needs and preferences. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is the heavyweight champion for pet owners with its extensive tools and powerful steam. But if you're looking for speed and versatility on a budget, Schenley is your trusty sidekick. Both are fantastic in their own right, so it really comes down to your cleaning needs and your wallet. Remember, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Schenley, the real winner is your clean floor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you think deserves the crown. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye!